Nigeria export to Italy is actually about almost $39 million. A lot of Nigerian export to Italy. First on the list is Fanta, various kind of drinks, including Fanta. Then, as expected, you're welcome to another edition of Sharing Trade Information on DBA TV. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Dele Ayimibo, and I'm your export doctor. In this episode, we'll be sharing again what Nigeria exports to another country. This time around, I'll be looking at what does Nigeria export to Indonesia, to Israel, to Iraq, and the like. So what does Nigeria export to this country? Remember, if Nigeria is exporting to that country, meaning you can export to that country. And if you are thinking you have someone in this country and you are looking at what can I export to this country, now we are giving you an idea of what Nigeria is currently exporting to that country, meaning these products are acceptable in those countries, the quality is good enough for them, a lot of people are already shipping it, there are demand for it, there are buyers for it, then you can consider it. So I will start today discussing Indonesia. Now, Nigeria export to Indonesia is about $100,000. Nigeria export to Indonesia is about $100,000. What does Nigeria export to Indonesia? Zinc oxide, zircon sand, cocoa beans, dry split ginger. What does Nigeria export to Indonesia? Raw cocoa beans, lead ingot, fermented cocoa beans, granules, dry split ginger, aluminium ingot, and cashew nut. Let's check out other countries that Nigeria exports to. I'll be going next to Iraq. What does Nigeria export to Iraq? Nigeria export to Iraq is very small, 354,000. Mainly peanut, cashew nut. Nigeria export a lot of granite to Iraq. A lot of granite to Iraq. So if you are looking at exporting to Iraq, think of granite, over $300,000 of export. Then hibiscus flower, then moringa seed. Those are other products exported to this country called Iraq. Then there is another huge demand for Nigerian products in another country. This country buys a lot of PET bottles from Nigeria, over $4 million shipment. And that country is Ireland. Republic of Ireland. Now, what does Nigeria export to Ireland? Recycled PET bottles, polyethylene tetrapalate flakes, PET bottles, plastic bottles, water bottles. The PET flakes are exported. That's the major item. Then they also buy pando yam and palm kernel shell. Nigerian foodstuff. Of course, there are not of Nigeria in Ireland. I mean, so many of them in Dublin, actually. Palm kernel shell, Nigerian foodstuffs and drinks, Nigerian foodstuffs and beverages, Nigerian foodstuffs, tom-tom cowpeas, Nigerian foodstuffs, Milo peanut, Malta Guinness, hair attachment, foodstuff and drinks, Nigerian foodstuff, alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks. These are the items Nigeria currently exports to the Republic of Ireland. Let's check out other countries that Nigeria exports to. The next one I'll be looking at is Israel. Nigeria export to Israel is very small, $1.4 million, very small. Few items, majorly sesame seed, PET bottles, dry split ginger, sesame seed, PET bottles, dry split ginger, whole sesame seed, bird eye chili, bird eye chili, There's another market Nigeria exports a lot to. And that's where, and that's probably where I will stop today in this particular episode, and that is Italy. Remember the goal of this program? Nigeria export to Italy is actually about almost $39 million. A lot of Nigerian export to Italy. First on the list is Fanta, various kind of drinks, including Fanta. Then, as expected, rubber. Different, Nigeria export millions of dollars of technically specified rubber to Italy. As expected again, Nigeria export a lot of leather to Italy. Sheepskin leather, different kind of grade. Sheepskin leather, of course, you know Italian shoes, different kind of grade. Tapioca starch. What does Nigeria export to Italy? Tapioca starch. Remelted lead ingot. Remelted lead blocks. What does Nigeria export to Italy? Provision and beverages. What does Nigeria export to Italy? Sheepskin and leather. What does Nigeria export to Italy? Pet flakes. Soya beans meal. What does Nigeria export to Italy? Nigeria processed rubber crumbs. What does Nigeria export to Italy? Hibiscus flower, sesame seed, palm juice. You know what palm juice is? Palm wine. It's better to call it palm juice. Wine, it seems to be a luxury product with a lot of duty payment. A wiser description for describing palm wine to attract less duty in countries that have high duty on palm wine is palm juice. Palm juice. So palm juice, and there's a lot of palm juice going to this country. I can see a lot of palm juice going to this country. Indomie noodles. Remember, I told you, you don't have to be the producer of what you export. I also export Indomie to UK, and I don't produce Indomie. You know those that produce Indomie. Indomie noodles. Natural rubber. Pet flakes. Soya beans meal. Soya beans cake. Cashew kernel. Cocoa beans. Malt drinks. Malta Guinness. Gary. Gary. Palm juice. Beverages. Indomie noodles. Palm juice. Several palm juice. Air attachment. Air extension. Good fermented cocoa beans. Goat skin. Gary. Foodstuffs. Air extension. Expression. Air attachment. Fanta. Cocoa shell. Black eye beans. Aluminium ingot. Black eye beans. Aluminium ingot. Cashew kernel. Like I said, the reason for this conversation, I repeat every time, is to give you, my audience, information on what you can export to this country. Because when you are able to export those items to those countries, it then becomes a lot easier for you. So when you know the item that can be exported to those countries, it then becomes easier for you to get Nigerians in those countries to work with. I always emphasize the importance of partnership. Partnering with Nigeria destination. Do not ship to a country where you don't have a representative you can work with in that export market. Do not ship to a country where you don't have a representative that you can work with in that export market. Do not ship to any country where you don't have a representative that you can export to in that export market. So now I've spoken today about Italy, I've spoken about Israel, I've spoken about Ireland. Just today, in this particular episode, I've spoken about even Indonesia. So I'm saying partner with Nigeria at the destination, work with them to be able to ship this item. Now you know the item that Nigeria currently exports. Look for people producing those products, partner with them, find partner you can work with in the export market to be able to ship to them. I believe this video also, again, as usual, has been of immense benefit to you. If you love the video, give us a thumbs up. If you love the video, share with your friend that might be interested. Share with your partner or your friends or potential buyer in the export market. Like the video, share with your friends, click on the notification bell, subscribe if you are new to this channel. Please drop your comment. If there are countries you see have in mind you want us to talk about, drop your comment and we will definitely do a video on that. My name is Indonesia and I'm your expert doctor and I'm signing out. Bye-bye. See you in the next video. Bye for now.